Okay, so I got my script now, and I am basically ready. So, let's do this. Let's go film. Oh, I almost forgot to say, welcome to the bloopers, and roll the non-copyrighted music. So I was recording, and it suddenly decided that I don't have enough memory, and I don't know which point in the video I stopped at. So I'm gonna have to film it all again. So, take two. This video is out of date already because if you look outside, it's 30 degrees. This is the limit I'm gonna go with YouTube. Okay, so that's a wrap. I've just finished the dancing sequence, which was basically like this. And a bit of and I'm basically done now, so I'm gonna edit this and upload it. Hope you guys all enjoyed the main video, and hope you enjoyed this blooper video. Make sure you check out my Twitter account. It's in the description. Instagram account description. My channel description. So, yeah.